Hello everyone, today we'll consider 5 fonts that can fit into your design projects on the go. So the first on the list is a sans serif font, Radio-Grotesk. I recently discovered this font, so I haven't used it for many of my design projects yet. But it can be used for flyer titles, web design projects, modern magazines and lots more. Second on the list is a classic font, New York. Just like Radio-Grotesk, I've not really used this font, but I can't wait to use it, it looks so beautiful. This font can be used for luxury designs, fashion posters, magazines and logo design too. Next, is Gagalin font. Ever since I found out about this font, I've always loved to use it. It's big and bold and it's just different. You can use it for comic designs, shirt print designs and other kind of design content too. I normally use it for food-related flyer designs like this one I made on the channel and this other design I made for a client. The fourth is Futura. I see this as a futuristic and modern font. It's really dynamic and can fit into different designs. It can also be used for logo design. Some top brands also use this font like Gillette and PayPal among others. And the fifth and final font on the list is Rogie. This font is similar to New York, it's a serif font. It gives this classy look to a design. You can also use this for logo and magazine designs. Okay guys, that's my top 5 font recommendations for you. If you want more of these kind of videos, then let me know in the comment section. Alright, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you found it helpful. Please, if you did, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel for more value. Click a video on screen to get more knowledge on Pixellab and smartphone graphic design. Click on my social links in the description to follow me on social media and to join my Telegram and WhatsApp group chat to get more information.